In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Vibrate feature when your outgoing call is answered on a Samsung phone. Many people find it helpful to have their phone vibrate when the recipient picks up their call, as it provides a subtle alert that the call has been connected. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device, and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. Once you are on the call settings page, tap where it says Call Alerts and Ringtone. Now you'll see a section called Call Alerts, and in that section, you'll see an option called Vibrate when answered. To enable the Vibrate feature when an outgoing call is answered on your Samsung phone, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.